Hello and welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, I'm back out here on the farm and I'm working on this Suzuki Swift. Specifically, we're going to be changing the boot button. You're probably here because your boot button at the tailgate of your car no longer allows you to, say you've got some groceries, walk up to the back, click and open. The boot buttons, yes, they do stop functioning, and of course that can be a big pain in the ass, especially if you no longer have your electronic key. You can see the dilemma there. So guys, it's my job today to show you how to throw a new one in. It is a bit more complicated than a usual boot button. You do have to pull the plastic back trim off to access and all that sort of stuff. So I'll show you as we go how to get it done. Guys, if you do need this part, we do have them available at Parts Factory. Click on the title of the video if you're on mobile and the description will pop down. Order it to your door, get it in your hand, and then yes, use this video. I'll show you how to fit it, save yourself some money. That's what we're all about here at Parts Factory. Guys, if you can, give the video a thumbs up. And if you are doing your own repairs on your own cars, throw this YouTube channel rather in your toolkit, something that will definitely help you out in the future. Let's jump into it. Alrighty guys, so the boot button is on this side. Just there guys, it's in here, right, but it's actually contained by this little plastic trim. So we'll pop that tailgate back up into the air. And basically we need to remove that plastic trim, which is not too complicated. You've got a Phillips head screw here. You run your hand around the edge. Yeah, it's looking like it's going to be one Phillips head and the rest will be plastic clips. So let's whip this plastic trim off and see what we're working with on the other side of that trim. All right, so you got this little Phillips head here. It seems they do that because this is the only part you might grab to pull down on the tailgate. So it's a reinforcement screw. And then, as discussed, you should be able to just simply grab your little handle, pop it down. See those plastic clips? They're all letting go, which is good news for us because it's just going to pop off. You can put it in the car, you can put it on the ground, you can put it wherever you like. I'm just going to have a quick look in. Yes, so it seems that all that entire plastic trim is held in by two 10mm screws. Alrighty guys, so do you see that 10mm screw on the left side? I just want to see if I can get it to, or maybe on the right side over there, or if you look straight up through the hole, 1 and 2, we're going to undo those two, and then we're going to undo this little green plug. It's fixed to the body of the car, so it might be a little bit hard to undo. Let's see if I can spin it around and get it to let go. Yeah, there you go there. And then you can just unplug that little green plug. Obviously easier if you've got two hands. And yeah, so we'll undo those two 10mm and this green plug, and then I'll be back with you in a sec. You got one, you just place it on the ground. You've got two hands, so you might be able to do it a bit easier than I will. 2, placing it on the ground. I'll put my rattle gun on the ground, and then at this point you just undo this plug with 2 arms, and yeah, you're good to go. So check this out. Just grab that switch, you can just turn it, and then just let it hang there for a sec. Undo that green plug, and you'll have it in your hand. So hopefully by now you've already received your Parts Factory tailgate switch in the mail. So whip it out of its packaging. You can see I've got the broken one just sitting there like that. So you'll now be able to whip your new one out of its package. As you can see, it is an OEM replica. I'll just rip it open. There you go there guys. So this is your Parts Factory equivalent. As I said, we have them available on the website, so if you do need them, you know how to find the link. It's in the title of click the title of the video. Description pops down, and bang, all you do is swap it from there to there. See like that? Got these 2 Phillips head screws. You throw this part back in, and you're good to go. Let's get it done. Alrighty guys, so if you replace this switch, and this still doesn't work, then you might be in for a tailgate lock actuator mechanism. So just bear that in mind. If we throw all this back in and it doesn't fix the problem that we're facing, then yeah, as discussed, it's going to be your tailgate lock actuator mechanism. So you've got your switch chilling back out where it belongs. You can put your 10mm in, just lining up the switch nice and tight, but not too tight that it rips it from the plastic housing. There you go, a few little rattles will get the job done. And then of course, you got your green plug. You can wrap that around some other wiring just to hold it. like so, and then you can push it back up into that place that we pulled it out from. Alrighty guys, so at this point, as you can already imagine, the rest of the procedure is extremely easy. It's now time to put our big cover back on. These are just pressure clips, so line them up. You can kind of hear them line up, and you can hit around the edges, and they will go in one by one. And then do not forget your little reinforcement Phillips head just here, which is just for this handle grip piece. And voila guys, that's how you change the lock button. Alrighty guys, I hope everything's gone nice and smoothly. As you can see, we've now got our brand new little button in there. You're gonna have yours in there too, which I'm hoping you can now switch your car on, come around the back with the car unlocked, test it out, and I'm hoping it goes boop, just like you wanted it to. Alrighty guys, don't forget, if you can, give the video a thumbs up. That way I know this is the type of content you're into. My name's Lucas, thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.